Welcome to Flower Care Garden, where we care for and nurture the beauty of plants using natural and sustainable methods. In today's video, I will share a simple way to care for Anthurium at home, helping the plant develop strong roots, glossy leaves, and support flower bud formation. With just a few simple natural ingredients and a little patience, your Anthurium can grow stronger and bloom more beautifully. Let's get started and discover this natural plant care method together. The first ingredient I'm using today is fresh aloe vera leaves. This is a very common natural ingredient, but it contains many beneficial bioactive compounds that support the growth of Anthurium plants. First, wash the aloe vera leaf to remove any dirt on the surface, then cut it into small pieces. Next, place the cut aloe vera pieces into a clean glass jar to begin preparing the natural nutrient solution for the plant. Next, I combine aloe vera with turmeric powder, a natural ingredient that helps support and protect the growing environment of Anthurium plants. Add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the glass jar that already contains the chopped aloe vera. Then add about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar and gently stir so the compounds from the turmeric mix with the aloe vera gel, allowing the nutrients to disperse evenly in the solution. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Welcome to the Flower Care Garden channel. Leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share our passion for plants from all around the world. Then close the jar and let it rest for about 60 minutes, so the nutrients can dissolve and stabilize in the solution. Before continuing with the next care steps, I perform a general inspection of the Anthurium plant, especially around the base of the plant. Sometimes you may notice young leaves growing very close together near the base, making the area crowded and poorly ventilated. When leaves grow too densely, they may compete for light and nutrients while trapping moisture around the base, increasing the risk of fungal problems. In this case, I use clean and sharp pruning scissors to gently remove the crowded or weaker leaves. The pruning should be done carefully and precisely to avoid damaging the main stem of the plant. Pruning excess leaves at the base helps improve airflow and light circulation, allowing the plant to focus its energy on healthy leaves and future growth. After soaking the aloe vera and turmeric powder for about 60 minutes, I gently stir the solution so the nutrients from both ingredients dissolve evenly into the water. Then filter the mixture through a fine cloth or strainer to remove the residue, keeping only the clear nutrient-rich liquid. This natural solution helps stabilize the root environment, supporting healthier Anthurium growth, shinier leaves, and improved bud formation. Finally, add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water and gently stir to dilute and balance the solution before applying it to the plant. Now we have created a gentle, eco-friendly natural nutrient solution suitable for caring for Anthurium plants. Step 1. Clean the Anthurium leaves using the aloe vera and turmeric solution. First, soak a piece of cotton or a soft cloth in the prepared aloe vera and turmeric solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, including both the upper and lower sides. This cleaning step helps remove dust, mineral residues from watering, and microorganisms that may accumulate on the leaf surface over time. Aloe vera gel contains natural bioactive compounds that help protect the leaf surface and maintain a light biological moisture layer. Meanwhile, turmeric powder has natural antibacterial properties that may help limit the development of certain fungi and harmful bacteria on the leaves. When the leaf surface is clean and unobstructed, the stomata function more efficiently, allowing the plant to maintain stable gas exchange and photosynthesis. As a result, Anthurium leaves often become darker green, thicker, and naturally glossier. The plant can also absorb light more efficiently to produce energy for root growth, leaf development, and flower bud formation. This is a simple yet very important care step to keep your Anthurium plant clean, healthy, and thriving over time. Step 2. Spray the aloe vera and turmeric solution over the entire Anthurium plant. First, pour the prepared solution into a clean spray bottle. Then gently mist it over the whole plant, including the upper and lower sides of the leaves as well as the stems. The fine mist allows the solution to spread evenly across the leaf surface without stressing the plant tissues. When the aloe vera and turmeric solution coats the leaf surface, it helps remove dust, mineral residues, and microorganisms that may accumulate during plant care. This keeps the leaf surface cleaner and more breathable. Aloe vera gel contains natural bioactive compounds that help maintain light biological moisture and protect plant tissues. Meanwhile, turmeric powder has natural antibacterial properties that may help limit certain fungi and harmful bacteria on the plant. As the solution lightly reaches the leaf surface and surrounding root environment, natural organic compounds can support the plant's metabolic activity, encouraging the growth of new roots and young shoots. At the same time, the fine mist helps maintain the natural shine of the leaves, making the Anthurium look fresher, healthier, and more vibrant. This is an important care step that helps the plant absorb nutrients more evenly while strengthening its natural vitality. Step 3. Apply the aloe vera and turmeric solution to the Anthurium growing medium. In this step, I slowly pour the prepared aloe vera and turmeric solution over the entire surface of the growing medium so it can evenly reach the root zone. As the solution penetrates the medium, natural organic compounds from aloe vera and minerals from turmeric dissolve in the root environment, supporting the plant's nutrient absorption. Aloe vera gel contains bioactive compounds that help maintain a stable root environment and support plant recovery after stress such as repotting or root pruning. At the same time, Turmeric powder has natural antibacterial properties that may help limit certain harmful fungi and microorganisms in the growing medium, helping protect the root system. When the root system is healthy and stable, the Anthurium absorbs nutrients more efficiently, supporting new root growth, leaf development, and flower bud formation. After watering with the solution, I place the entire Anthurium pot into the solution for about 10 minutes so it can fully reach the root zone. After soaking for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot. Let the excess water drain, and place the plant in soft indirect light. Step 4. Dry the Anthurium leaves using a soft cotton cloth. I use a clean, soft cotton cloth to gently dry the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, including both the upper and lower sides. Water droplets left on the leaves for too long may create conditions for fungi and bacteria to develop. Therefore, drying helps remove excess moisture and keeps the leaf surface clean and dry. At the same time, wiping the leaves removes dust and mineral residues, making the leaves shinier and allowing them to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. When the leaves are clean and dry, the stomata function normally, improving oxygen and CO exchange and helping the Anthurium stay healthy and vibrant. This simple step also helps maintain the natural beauty of the plant with clean, glossy, vibrant leaves. While wiping the leaves, you can also observe the plant more closely and detect early signs of pests or plant stress. And that completes today's Anthurium care routine. With simple natural ingredients and a little patience, we can help the plant develop strong roots, glossy leaves, and beautiful blooms according to its natural cycle. If you enjoy natural plant care methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next videos.